Today we're demonstrating our Grapple Rod Bucket for mini loaders. This attachment weighs around 300 pounds. It has an overall width of about 49 inches. This attachment is well suited for sifting rocks, picking up grubs, moving brush piles, and picking up trees and limbs. This attachment features independent grapples which allow you to pick up debris of different sizes and shapes. The opening is approximately 27 inches from the cutting edge to the tip of the grapple. This gives you a lot of room to pick up large bunches of brush or even large logs. The grapples are constructed of 3/8 inch plate steel for ribs and gussets, as well as steel tubing and a gusset at the front edge. This is going to give you a very strong structure. It's very stiff and it's not going to rack or twist on you when you pick up debris or pinch it unevenly. It's nice that the grapples are open on the end, as well as the bucket itself. It left a lot of room for picking up large logs. You could have them extend out either end. This also allows you to pick up larger bunches of brush. You can get into it further, and so you're able to grab more of it with the grapple because you can get into it further. The cutting edge is well supported on this newly designed bucket. We have 4 3/8 inch ribs that run the full width from the back and the heel and the tube of the bucket all the way out to the cutting edge. So as you lift, push, or pry with this cutting edge, it's going to be well supported across the entire width. On the leading edge of this bucket, we have a 1/2 inch by 4 cutting edge with a plate welded to the back side of it to support the rods. So the rods aren't just welded just to the end of the cutting edge, but they're actually supported by some flat iron which is welded to the cutting edge itself. We also have 5 replaceable bucket teeth on the front. What these allow you to do is get better penetration, especially into rock piles. It's going to help pierce that pile and get it broken up so that you can get the cutting edge pushed through it better. So for sifting, the bottom of the bucket has rods that are placed about 2 3/4 inches between them. And we also have some 3/8 inch plate steel that is centered about 5 inches apart. This gives a really nice surface area for sifting, especially when we're working with the rock pile there. You can sift all the way down to about softball size rocks depending on the size and shape of the rock itself. What you want to do is get into the bottom of the pile, pick it up and roll it back and then sift it. And we have rods on the back side of the bucket as well, so not only are you sifting through the bottom, but you're also sifting through the back side too. The back of the bucket frame features steel tubing that runs a full width. This is the backbone of the bucket. There's also a large plate on the bottom which is 3/8 inch thick. This also runs the full width. This is going to give you a large backbone, a heavy structure from which to mount the grapples and also to push from. On the back side of the bucket, we've incorporated cylinder protection plates here. This keeps debris from contacting the cylinder and hoses. Be sure to check back as we make more videos like this. As always, give us a call or check out our website if you have any questions.